Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorials how to erase tab measure marks. To use tab measure marks, you can click at this icon and then you can click like from this red axis into here. So to be create for marks or guide for your drawing. Okay. And if you want to erase this mark, you can select, right click, and then you can choose the erase tools like this, or you can hide the selected. So in here it will be erase, or you can select again, right click, and then hide. If you want to unhide, you can go to edit, click unhide, and then click all. And if you want to delete all marks, you can go to edit and then click delete guide. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial, how to erase tab measure marks. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.